Get ready to remodel. Navigating Black Friday kitchen deals. It's been a tough year, hasn't it? With all our time spent at home, it's been easy to spot areas that have room for improvement. For many of us, the kitchen has come to the top of our lists. So if you're ready for a little bit of a remodel in the new year, then we're going to help you score the best Black Friday kitchen deals. There are some kitchen items that you definitely want to pounce on, and thankfully, this includes major appliances. Once we've covered all that, we'll lay out some generic Black Friday tips and tricks to help you achieve all your kitchen goals. Major kitchen appliances, say yes. Last year, we saw Sears offer a 30% discount on a Samsung suite, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and stove, and a 33% discount on a Frigidaire suite. Home Depot and Lowe's offered similarly steep discounts on an LG suite and a Samsung suite. Without question, appliances are one of the largest expenses in a kitchen remodel, so it would be truly exciting to slice nearly a third of the price away with Black Friday kitchen appliance package deals. Small kitchen appliances, say no. Since a new coffee maker or blender isn't eating up all the floor space like a refrigerator or stove, stores aren't as eager to push these items out the door, so you may not find those nicely discounted 30% off stickers. What you can do here is wait for Cyber Monday. Amazon, Walmart, and all other top sites will probably give you something to look forward to on these smaller items. Electronics? Say yes. If you're looking to install a smart television or Wi-Fi camera in the kitchen area, then this is definitely something to keep in mind for Black Friday. Electronics are a big deal and something that stores definitely need to move. Technology is developing at a rapid pace. Hello, iPhone 12. So stores never want to hang on to the old models when they need to make room for the new ones. Building materials, say no. Things like paint, wood, caulking, and granite won't see spectacular price drops on Black Friday. These aren't items that stores are looking to move because it's not like there's a new style of paint that Lowe's needs to make room for. The final reason these items aren't Black Friday items is because some of them require special orders. Granite, wood, and other items that need to be tailor-made are going to pose major problems for retailers who are trying to handle the hustle and bustle that comes with a major Black Friday sale. Power tools, say yes. Now, Dad may not want to see that caulk gun under the tree, but he may be excited to see a nail gun, drill set, sander, or saw. We saw big brand names with prices that were slashed by nearly 50%. So a lovely new Craftsman or Makita set would certainly wrap up nicely if you wanted to give it to your fellow DIYer at home. Now, here are some Black Friday pro tips. First, don't be afraid to haggle. Just because you're shopping at a nationwide chain, as opposed to a small mom-and-pop shop, doesn't mean you can't haggle. The best way to do this is to bring in an ad from a competitor. Number 2, know your freebies. If, for some reason, the store needs to order your appliance, make sure you secure free shipping or if they can haul away your old refrigerator, stove, etc. Also, see if you can get them to agree to a free installation. Number 3, snag those doorbusters. Take time to actually read through all those ads because a lot of our favorite stores will offer early bird specials and doorbusters. It's often worth your while to get up early and be in line for your new dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, or stove. Number 4, consider night owl discounts. Whether we agree with it or not, a lot of stores open their doors on Thanksgiving night. Some stores will post Black Friday web-only deals on Thanksgiving that can be ordered online and picked up in store. This could save you some of the stress that comes with getting to the store on time, haggling, and securing that last Frigidaire on the floor. Number 5, start now. According to CNN, Wayfair has launched their Black Friday sneak preview, Target has their Black Friday madness, Best Buy has listed hundreds of appliances and electronics for sale, and Walmart has already launched their deals for days. And finally, you may not be a fan of store newsletters, but with stores rolling out deals week by week leading up to Thanksgiving, this will definitely keep you in the loop.